Now I know that you've had that one idea that you have never acted upon, or that you acted upon and left halfway. The video project that you were working on, but didn't quite finish. The half-done sculpture, or that really cool song that you were working on. All of us have unfinished work. I've had an idea for this one piece for a while. I made it in one of my idea books. Yeah, I have one of those books. I am guilty. Those books where I write or draw something when I have an idea that is worth taking note of. Moving on, I had that idea and I put it down on one of my pages. I let it stay for months, not really thinking about it, and then I thought that I should commit it to my sketchbook. So, I started with the background. For months, I let random squares and rectangles made with a red marker dry on my sketchbook. For months. Ignoring it every single time I flipped through my sketchbook and saw that page. Then, after actually committing to the idea in pencil, I let the graphite stay there for long enough to forget about it until I was reminded again while I was flipping through the book. You see, that idea was cool in my head, pretty cool in my head, honestly. But committing it to paper meant that there was a little bit of uncertainty that we were dealing with. What if I mess up? What if I go wrong? What if the vision in my head doesn't translate onto the paper? So many things can happen, can't they? All of us get in our own head. Honestly, a little too much for it to be okay. But planning things out, making sure that everything carries out perfectly, or that your vision comes to life exactly as you imagined it, it's a nice thought, and it's actually really satisfying when that happens. But in the moment, right now, abhi, is samay, it stops you. When I try to think of it, it looks like a child tugging on their mother's shirt or dupatta. At least that's the visual that comes into my mind. It's that nagging thought roaming around in the back of your head that you're trying to ignore, but you really can't. But sometimes it might be worth it to let yourself get that annoyed. To wait out until you know exactly what you want to say or show, how you want it to look, and what you want it to be. Waiting helps, but then it doesn't. Because letting yourself get annoyed doesn't work all the time. All of us know this whole equation is a little too complicated. There's a lot that goes through our minds, and that's okay, I think. I let this idea stay for more than a few months. The thought of having a random woman with her hair hanging from the sky? I don't know. I nurtured it, let the thought develop and grow, and make a nice little home in my head. There was a subtle pressure that I put on myself. It was supposed to look like this and that and this and that, and the cycle went on. I spent time deciding the mood, picking the colors, thinking a little too much about the meaning and the message. Actually, no, but making rough versions and trying to see how the idea could translate. I had to pause things from time to time, engage in a conversation, or just stop doing it altogether. हम आर्टिस्ट ना सोचते बहुत हैं, which is good until it isn't. I have more unfinished projects than I would like to admit. And a lot of times I give up on ideas midway. Why does this happen? I don't have the clarity of thought to answer that. Sometimes letting your project stay in your head works. Because of that, ideas nikhar ke aate hain. They look much better. And sometimes it doesn't. And everything builds up. Things get lost in translation and I lead myself to disappointment. The more pressure there is on a piece, greater are the chances of disappointment. Just like this one. At the end, it didn't live up to my expectations. I put that pressure on myself, and now I'm okay with it. The finished, unfinished product is something I'm trying to take my mind off of. Because the room for a better translation of an idea or improvement of an idea. And I know that. I'm okay with that. And I've made peace with that too. I'm trying to focus on enjoying the process. As cringy as it sounds. I'm trying to let myself see things come to life and feel the tiny blips of joy along the way. And that's okay too. Realization जो भी हो और जब भी हो, at least you realized it. Thank you guys for listening or watching, depending upon wherever you are consuming this piece of media. I really hope that you could resonate with it in some way or another. And if you liked it, let me know.